Alrighty, we are going to do a dry snow globe today. And a dry snow globe is basically putting a glitter inside a snow globe cup, but instead of any kind of liquid, we're just going to use some polyacrylic and let it dry up, and that's it. Well, this is a plastic cup, by the way. And yeah, alright, so we're going to be using two decals that I had such a hard time deciding, but I want to use this from BELLE Glitters and the cute little Sandy Claus. And then for the glitter, I want to do a mixture from RAE Creations. And the first one's going to be Iceberg. Look how pretty. Oh, it's obsessed. And I want to use just a little bit of this Tickled pink because I want this to pop, but I still want a little pink in there. So I'm going to mix up a little batch here and we'll get started. So what you're going to need is obviously your decals, UV-DTFs, your glitter, your cup, your polyacrylic, a squeegee, little cup holder. Use a pokey tool that I made. Isn't it the cutest? I die. She's so cute. Scissors, and I think that's it. We're not gonna do the lid in this video, but this is what I'm thinking right now. I might change my mind. I'm not too sure about the candy. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'll be doing this in another video, but we're gonna decorate that lid later with some glitter and some bling and whatnot. So I'm gonna mix this up and stop the video to do that. Actually, while I'm mixing the glitter that I will stop the video again, I'm gonna go ahead and pour the polyacrylic in here because you want the liquid to dry a little bit. So probably gonna wait about 20 minutes or so, and you'll want it not to be cloudy. You want it semi-clear, and that way the glitter, it won't be too wet and it'll adhere and stay put. So let's do that real quick. Just take, you don't need a whole lot, just take a little. Oops, get rid of that little googly tip there. All right, so we want to put a little bit of, I really hate the stand that I have right now for this purpose. I have another one coming in that I hope it does a lot better, but I can make do with what I got. And then you just want to swirl around the liquid. You can put as much as you want because I wind up draining it and then I just pour it back into the bottle because it's clean. But you want to make sure you get all of your cup covered inside. And you just keep twisting around.
Pretty now. I got the view.
Okay, so I'm gonna use this one. Take a little syringe needle and just put it right in there and pull all that excess liquid out. Seriously. There we go. Make sure that it's pointing down when you inject it out so you don't squirt this stuff all over you. Alright. Not sure if that angle is good for you there, but there we go. So you can see there's still a little tiny bit, but I'm going to let that continue to drain out. Set it to a side. Okay, that was a series of unfortunate events, but we shall move on from it. We are going now to apply the glitter. This is still a little wet, but you know what? For the most part, it's to the point where I want it, and I don't want it to be completely dry and then the glitter doesn't stick, because then that's a whole other show. So I have my little funnel here from KELLBELL Customs. This is an amazing tool. You just lay it right there, and it fits perfectly at the bottom of the tumbler. And you feed your glitter in there. So I did my little mixture. This is what I got. Where are you? I like it. I like it. And we're going to take our little pokey tool and start feeding this glitter in here. Might not even need the pokey tool, but we shall see. Stand corrected. And you basically just feed the glitter in here. We'll speed this up here because Alright, I think I got a lot of glitter in there, so I'm going to try it out. I'm going to shake it all around. I just plug it with my finger for now. And just, you just want to make sure. You also just plug it in like this. Hello. Seriously. Oh my gosh. And this is where we need to put the tool again. There we go. Okay. Shake it, shake it, shake it. And make sure you cover all the part. Alrighty. Now that we got our glitter all set in there, what I did on camera was finish shaking out all the excess glitter and I went ahead and plugged it in. Now we're going to add our decals. So dip my little cradle hold here. You want to make sure your cup is nice and clean, rid of any oils and whatnot. This is the first one we're going to apply, pink Christmas trees. And with any UPDTF decal, you want to squeegee it on both sides, just to make sure it adheres when you pick it up. Take off the backing, it stays on the carrier sheet, especially the ones that have like little bitty elements. Like that. Alright, so I'm going to take off the corner here. And what I like to do is remove it and then place half. I'm going to just leave a little smidgen outside there because I want to position it here, just make sure it's pretty straight. And looks pretty good. Then I'm going to put it down on this end, it's pretty much like the hinge method. And we want to peel off this side here. And once you have on one side, you just want to squeegee it out slowly, just like that. And you want to take a little squeegee tool and just rub it down really good. Just make sure it all adheres very well. Then we want to lift the carrier sheet very carefully. You don't want to scratch the cup. Find a nice little corner. Unless you're like me, squeegee it way too well. Just gotta get it started on one end and peel it up slowly. These carrier sheets are really, really strong. So you want to make sure you don't lift up any of the actual decal, which for the most part shouldn't if you squeeze it down pretty good, but it happens to the best of us. Every time it does that quickly, I get nervous. I'm like, oh, where did it feel? Where did it lift up? But we good. There you go. And once you're out of the danger zone, the decal's going to get off. Oh my gosh, look how cute. This is so pretty. I love, 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 love pink Christmas. Alright, so you could just leave it like this. It's a very pretty cup, but we like to be extra here. And I want to put this one on the other end. So, kind of want to measure, just kind of line it up. I'm going to use this middle tree here as kind of a go by. And we're going to call it like right there where my thumb is at. Lay it down, just like yay so. And same thing, we want to take and lift up the decal. Again, you want to go slowly. And I will put it, pretty much covering the whole decal at this point. And then position it here. Once I have it laid down pretty much, then I lift it up a little bit, just make sure it's straight, centered, whatnot, wherever you want it. And you lay it down here, and like I said, we hinge it. And then you want to slowly but surely squeeze it out. And there you have it. Clean sweep. Rub it down really good. Especially these that have like these little bitty, like little dots and stuff. Those are a little harder to get them in there and stick. I don't lose my mind if I miss a couple dots, whatnot, of these little teeny tiny ones, but the most I can get to stick on there, the better. No bubbles. It's a good thing. And now we lift the carrier sheet. Little corner lifted. And slowly peel off. So cute! Oh my gosh. Alright, so now what we got left to do is the lid, which I'm going to do in a separate video. I will put a little UV resin down here just to adhere that permanently, and we're done. A beautiful little cup. You can find in my bio links and codes to the Chase RAE glitter, Southern Belle glitter decals, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for sticking around for this hot mess tutorial.